That's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to the Kaji. His first question was that what kind of religion you are following? You are killing your father and mother. This was his beginning of the talk. What kind of religion it is? How is that? I am killing my father and mother. Yes, cow is your mother and bull is your father. You are killing them. The bull is giving you grains by working in the field, and the mother is giving you milk and you are killing them. This was his first question. So this is a civilization of killing father and mother. All over the world, they are killing bulls and cows. In England there is a law that you can maintain a cow, but you cannot maintain a bull. It must be killed. Yeah? When I was a guest in John Lennon's house, the manager in charge, he was telling me, this is, you cannot keep bull, this is our law. I learned from him.
Only for breeding purposes. All the rest are killed.
This is law in England. So you cannot keep even bull private. Must be killed. This is the law. Doesn't matter, bull will not supply milk, so there is no use. It must be killed. Otherwise they are ferocious animals. They have made this law. The cows may be given some time to be killed, but the bulls should be killed immediately. This is the law.
No, do the farmers actually want to keep them anyway?
No.
They're useless animals.
They're simply expensive.
They don't
but
know.
here in India they know how to utilize bulls for transportation, for plowing, and so many other things.
Such a shortage of fuel, but there's no shortage of fuel with a bull.
No, rather it will supply you gobar, fuel. Whatever you will eat, it will give you a fuel.
Return.
Yeah, return.
But now the government is trying to teach the people that they should buy tractors and kill the calves. They want to make tractors popular. And then
Kill the bulls.
They were criticizing us because in our Goshala we maintain the male calf.
No, when our Harikesh was struck by a bull and he was taken, in hospital, the doctor was criticizing. If you have killed the bulls, then this condition would not have come to you.
Karma.
No. There would be no accident because you know that?
I heard about the
there was an accident and he was taken to hospital. So he was advised, because you do not kill the bulls, therefore this is accident. As if without killing, by killing the bulls there is no accident. And they do not cite the accident by motor car, better bulls. Accident will be there.